So, today my topic is how I became successful. Now, you know that success is 10% of happiness. When you are happy, so why you are happy? Because you have 10% of success. If you are successful, it doesn't mean that you will be happy because there are other ingredients which are required for happiness. For example, you must have a good environment, you must have welfare, you must have your well-being, you must have good relationships, you must have flexibility or elasticity in your personality, and when all these things are combined, then you become happy. For example, you have good outlook on life, you are involved in many activities, and you have some philosophy in your life, you have pleasure in your life. So we call it we promise. WWE PPROMISE. So we promise, this is a formula of happiness. Now here S in the we promise stands for success. Now how I became successful? Because I applied the formula of success. What is the formula of success? The formula of success is LAFL, LAAFL. As we have we promise, similarly we have LAFL. Now in LAFL, each letter stands, L stands for learning, that you should be a learner because you are seeking knowledge, you are becoming skillful, you are getting yourself education all the time. That is very, very important because education is of three types: formal education, informal education, and non-formal education. Formal education is from educational institutions, informal education is from the experiences of life, and non-formal education is in special circumstances, demonstrations, exhibitions, what I am doing now. So this is non-formal education. So learning can be good, learning can be bad. When learning is good, that is called education, because education is to bring proper change in your behavior. Now LAFL, the first A stands for application, and the second A stands for accomplishment. F stands for fame, and the LAFL, the last L stands for legacy. So LAFL means learning, application, accomplishment, fame, and legacy. You must continue learning throughout your life. And what you learn, you must apply it. For example, you are learning today something from me, you are learning a formula, LAFL and we promise. So you have to apply now. And once you apply, then you have to achieve some goal, some target, you have to accomplish, you have to achieve something, accomplishment. You must have some status, and then you have the next stage, and that is fame. You must become famous. If you are not famous, you cannot be successful. Famous means that you have learned something, you have applied, and you have accomplished, you have achieved something. Your performance, your work, your duty, your achievements make you famous, make you well known. People know you because of your activities, because of your action, because of your contribution. So you become famous. And when you die, when you are transformed, you are no more in this world. So then you have legacy. So those people who leave legacy, for example, we remember Aristotle today, and after 2500 years, today he also we know why, because he was famous, because he accomplished, because he applied what he learned, and he left legacy. A lot of books he wrote on each and every topic, Aristotle. So Aristotle is successful because he was learning from Plato, who was his teacher. What he was learning, he was applying, he was accomplishing his goals, and then he became famous. And when he died, so he left legacy. He did not die like an animal, he did something in his life, and that's why we call him a successful individual. So this is my message today. I did the same thing because I was learning, and whatever I was learning, I was applying on my life. So I made success part of my happiness, because happiness is we promise. WWEPPROMISE. Now we promise the first W, that stands for wealth. We must have money and legal money, and then we should have well-being, our health, our diet, and then promise the double P. So one P means philosophy. We must have philosophy of life. The second P, pleasure. We must do pleasurable activities. We must enjoy our life. We should not be bored people. We should be all the time active, dynamic, so that our hormones, our biochemistry, our endocrinology, that is in action. Pleasure, enjoyable kind of activities. Joy is very, very important. Humor is very, very important. Eating is important. When we eat, so we enjoy. So this is called pleasure. So double P. R is relationships. Our relationship with people, our family, friendship, that is relationship. PRO. O is outlook, optimism. That should be our outlook. And PROM. M is meaning, that our life must be meaningful. I means involvement, that we must be involved. Now you are listening to me. If you are involved with me, so you will feel happiness. Involvement in social activities, in educational activities. And then we have the next one, and that is double PROMISE. S is success, which I told you, lawful. And the last E, that is elasticity, flexibility, no rigidity in life. So this is my message for today, the message of success and the message of happiness.